The Empty Space is a 1968 book by the British director Peter Brook examining four modes or points of view in theatre: deadly, holy, rough, and immediate. The book is based on a series of 4 lectures endowed by Granada Television and delivered at Manchester, Keele, Hull, and Sheffield Universities in England. The first lecture, on the deadly theatre, was delivered on February 1, 1965 at Manchester University. The lecture series helped to fund his long-planned trip to Afghanistan. The work was considered controversial when first published in 1968 and received mixed reviews. However, it is now widely taught in higher education theater studies courses. The empty space is defined by Brook as a New York space in which theater takes place. I can take any empty space and call it a bare stage. A man walks across this empty space whilst someone else is watching him, and this is all that is needed for an active theater to be engaged. Empty Space Peter Brook Award. The Empty Space Peter Brook Award was an annual prize awarded to a theater in recognition of pioneering concepts and innovations in theater achieved in smaller venues and inventive spaces which receive minimal or no public funding. Award categories included regional theaters and up-and-coming theater. Winners include the Orange Tree Theatre, Richmond, London, 2006 and 2015, Unicorn Theatre, London, 2014, The Shed at the National Theatre, London, 2013, and the Finborough Theatre, London, 2012 and 2010. The last award, to the Yard Theatre in London, was made in 2017.